Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Before leaving home in the morning. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Morning, pretty well. Morning, pretty well. You're up pretty early. You're up pretty early. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. What time does it start? What time does it start? It starts at 9. It starts at 9. I'll get ready soon. I'll get ready soon. You still have some time. You still have some time. Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside? No, it's sunny now. No, it's sunny now. It looks pretty cold. It looks pretty cold. Mornings are chilly, so take a jacket. Mornings are chilly, so take a jacket. I'll take a jacket. I'll take a jacket. It's supposed to rain later. It's supposed to rain later. Then I'll bring an umbrella. Then I'll bring an umbrella. You should check the forecast. You should check the forecast. I'll check it now. I'll check it now. The chance is pretty low. The chance is pretty low. Then I should be fine later. Then I should be fine later. What about breakfast? What about breakfast? I'll have some toast. I'll have some toast. Want some coffee? Want some coffee? Just a little, please. Just a little, please. I'll make some coffee. I'll make some coffee. Thanks, that'd be great. Thanks, that'd be great. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. Check the table. Check the table. It's not there. It's not there. Try beside the couch. Try beside the couch. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Glad you found it. Glad you found it. I need my keys. I need my keys. They're probably in your pocket. They're probably in your pocket. Yep, I've got them. Yep, I've got them. Don't forget your wallet. Don't forget your wallet. My wallet's in my bag. My wallet's in my bag. What about my water bottle? What about my water bottle? You should take that, too. You should take that, too. I'll take the bottle. I'll take the bottle. It's by the door. It's by the door. I'll grab it. I'll grab it. You've still got time. You've still got time. I should leave soon. I should leave soon. No need to rush. No need to rush. I'm all ready. I'm all ready. Just check you have everything. Just check you have everything. Phone, keys, wallet, I've got everything. Phone, keys, wallet, I've got everything. That's a relief. That's a relief. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. Take care. Take care. I'll be home around 7. I'll be home around 7. Okay, we'll decide about dinner then. Okay, we'll decide about dinner then. I'm off now. I'm off now. Have a good day. Have a good day. I'll text you if the rain gets heavy. I'll text you if the rain gets heavy. Don't push yourself too hard. Don't push yourself too hard. I'm really heading out. I'm really heading out. Take care. Take care. I'll text you when I get back. I'll text you when I get back. I'll be waiting here. I'll be waiting here. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. Have a good day. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.